The Nike Air Force 107 Pearl Pink White Peony is a perfect mix of classic style and soft elegance. Featuring a smooth leather upper in a gentle pearl pink, this sneaker creates subtle shading across every surface. The side swoosh pops with pink borders, adding a vibrant touch while keeping the overall look soft and feminine. Details like the heart-shaped lace charm, tongue label, and delicate stitching elevate its charm, giving your feet an instant glow. The crisp white midsole perfectly contrasts the pink upper, while the pale pink outsole and rounded tread create a light, airy feel with every step. Its low-cut silhouette offers stability, structure, and comfort, staying true to the Air Force One legacy since 1982. Versatile and stylish, this pair complements both casual and chic outfits, making it ideal for those who want a calm, elegant look with a touch of streetwear heritage. A timeless pick for everyday wear.